Good morning, all. Today again I am present here in front of you with the chapter number 7 for the class 7, Weather and Climate. In this chapter, we will see about the definition of weather, what are the type of weather, what is the condition of weather, and how it has been produced. And the next one is what are the necessary criteria for what reason weather has been created, and what are the prediction that we will see. The first we will see in this one, that is the weather. The day-to-day change at the place and the time with respect to the temperature, wind, speed and direction, etc. is called weather. Weather is the short time period changes. If you want to observe that today is rainy day, tomorrow is cloudy day after tomorrow is sunny day, that this is the weather forecast and this is the change in the atmosphere. The short term changes is called weather. Now we will see according to the type of weather we are classify the particular day, that this is sunny day, this is foggy day, this is cloudy day, dry day, okay, like this way. Now as we have seen today in the during day also, within an hour or within more than 2 or 4 hours it has been changed. That so on the basis of that one we can say that weather is never constant. Next we will see it is produced by the sun heat, means with the help of solar energy we can change weather also. We are not able to change it, but we are able to identify for what reason it has been changed, okay. And next one is the heat energy of the sun has been absorbed by the whatever objects are there on the earth, and has been reflected by the earth's surface, ocean, atmosphere, lots of surfaces are there. With the help of that one it has been reflected, and it plays an important role. The reflection of the light is also plays an important role to change or to determine the weather at any place. Next is weather forecasting. What's the meaning of weather forecasting? It's the prediction of weather in advance is called weather forecasting. Prediction in the sense we have to assume because of the situation of the cloud, the speed of the wind, on the basis of speed of the wind, on the basis of the temperature, on the basis of the direction of the wind, we are predict that suppose tomorrow may be cloudy day, tomorrow may be rainy day. As you have seen in the news also, that they are giving the news that the monsoon will start from this date, that days, okay. This is called weather forecasting, and this is the one kind of prediction. It might be right or not, okay. Next we will see, this is the weather report. How we can say that how we can see that, or we can read the weather report. So here you have been given the day wise weather report. In your textbook you have been given only one day weather report. In this one you can see Saturday clouds and droplets are there. What droplets are there? It means it represents that it is rainy day, and downside they have written in that column only, that is heavy rain. And temperature also given. Sometime temperature has been given in the Celsius, or sometime it has been given in the Fahrenheit. Here you have been given F means Fahrenheit. It is 60 Fahrenheit and 40 Fahrenheit. The blue color line represent the maximum temperature of the day, and the downside, the last bottom line, represent the minimum temperature of the day. So that is about Saturday. Then Sunday they have given. Sunday you can see Saturday, the next day, very next day of the Saturday is Sunday. So you have been given sun, clouds and the stars. It is not the stars, it is the sunlight, very high sunlight, very high strength sunlight you will be getting. So they have given sunny light, snow, sunny light, snow. When you will be getting sunlight, means a sunny day as well as snow day, both combined together. And in that one the maximum temperature of the day is 62 Fahrenheit and the minimum temperature of the day is 41 Fahrenheit. Like this way they have given till Friday, means they have completed 1 week, okay. This is the weather forecast of the week. This is the weather report, that with the help of this one we should know what term represent which condition. On the basis of that term only we can identify the condition, and we can forecast the weather, okay. We can explain the weather report. Next it is about climate, the average weather pattern at the place taken over the long period of the time. As I told you, it is required less amount of weather required less amount of time to change, while the climate required the long time period, okay, for the average change. It is called might be 10 years, 15 years, 25 years. After 25 years, if you will see the temperature, you have heard about the season or the rainy season from your parent and grandparents, that while we were a child, the rain is that much okay, that flood situation has been created. So that is called the change in the weather. The change in the weather also called climate. So climate requires the long time period for to change. Now there are four type of climate has been discussed in our chapter, that is polar climate. What's the meaning of polar climate? Polar name itself represent that polar means it is at the pole region. It is the polar climate, always cold, and it is at the polar region. Wo it is always cold means it is having only low temperature, means it is fully covered with the ice. Second is temperate climate, neither very hot nor cold. Temperate in the sense mild climate, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म भी नहीं होता and the cold is not there. Third one is tropical climate. It is very high temperature and very high humidity also. Temperature is also very high. Humidity, it means that water vapor, amount of water vapor is also very high. When the monsoon has been started, first or second rain has come, तो फर्स्ट और सेकेंड रेन के बाद आपको बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लगती है. व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न फॉर दैट रीज़न, फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन, दैट द वाटर अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर वेपर इज मोर इन द एटमोसफियर, विल मोर रिफ्लेक्ट sunlight, and it is converted into the water vapor also, that is the highly temperature containing state of the water. And just because of that reason we are feeling very hot during that particular time period, about the first and second rain. Third one is tropical climate that we have done. The fourth one is desert climate. In this desert climate you will find two kind of season at a day, at the same day. During day you will be feeling very hot, during night you will be feeling very cold. Those who have gone Kutch, Rajasthan, they have experienced very well. Okay, during day you are feeling very hot, the temperature is very high at that particular place, and during night it is very cold because of the low temperature. Okay, so these are the climate and the four types of climate that you have to do. Now this is your home assignment that you have to write down in your notebook, science fair notebook. That is definition of weather, what is the meaning of climate, all the types of climate, and explain one weather report. You have to download one weather report and you can draw it in your notebook and you have to explain it. Okay, आपको कैसे explain करना है, that is given to you in this video also, as well as